So these days, all it takes to make money online is just your smartphone and, most importantly, information. So in this video, I'll be showing you another update on arbitrage opportunity that I found this morning scrolling through my devices. So like I said, if you don't have all the exchanges, it will be a problem. Let me show you, for instance. Now let me show you this. I found this arbitrage opportunity, right? But let me show you here. This is Bitget, right? So search, let me search for ride. The name of the project is ride. See, there's no ride in this app. Bitget doesn't have it. But do you know which one has it? Gate.io. Do you know another one that has it? Mex. So I always say, if you don't have all the exchanges, you are not ready for this business. If you don't have all the exchanges and you don't have capital and you don't have information and you're not following my channel, you are missing out. So let's search for these projects, right? Right. Let's see the current price of ride right now. So ride is currently at 0.000816% right now on Mex. It went up for, okay, that's 1%, right? In Mex. This is Mex, by the way. This is Mex. Now let's check the price in Gate.io and see if it's exploitable, right? So I mean, by the time I drop this video, it might already be too late to do this. But like I said, always have the information. You can add me on my WhatsApp. Like, I send the signals every day. I send updates every day to my WhatsApp friends. I don't have any group. I don't have any. I had the group in 2022, my crypto academy, but so far I don't have any group right now. But if you guys request for a group, I can create a group for this arbitrage opportunity, or a channel, or wherever. I don't have anyone right now, so but I'll drop it on my status on WhatsApp, so you can contact me, and I'll add you on my WhatsApp. So you can see the current price of ride here is 0.00086. It went up 5% here. So currently it's higher here in Gate.io, right? This is Gate.io, this is Mex. So let's check the price difference. 3081, 3086. So that would be like $100, right? Any amount you're using to multiply, you will put it. If you're using $100, $20, $1,000, any amount, you use it for this multiplication, so you get the exact figure you'll be buying it with, right? So that's $100 divided by, you'll be using it, you'll be checking this lowest one, that's on Mex, 0.816, right? So it is 0.3081. That's the current value of this coin right on Mex. So if you buy with $100, you'll be getting this value. That will get 123,456 right. This is the amount we'll be getting. Now if you want to sell it on Gate.io, I'm just showing you another way to check this stuff, right? You have to know maths to know all this stuff. So it's not hard. So if you want to check the current value on Gate.io, what you have to do here is you have to multiply this by the current price. That's the price of the coin is 0. So let me just show you that, because we bought this with $100, we multiply it by this one. That's 0. This one 0.0081. So you see, let's know if it's $100, right? So you multiply it by 0.00081, just to be sure. You can see it's $100, 99.99999. That's $100, right? Yeah. So you are sure that the calculation is right. Now, if you want to sell it at 0. That you want to sell it on Gate.io at 0.0086, to know the profits, like if you want to know the profit we were making from this trade, then we just change it from, because we are buying it from, like, we are buying it from 0.00081. That's why we got this. So we have to change it to 0.00086 and see the profit you're making. So basically we are making $106, right? 0604, yeah. So we are making $106 from this arbitrage opportunity, right? So if you buy it here at Mex and we sell it on Gate.io, the profit we are making is $6. Now you will see that this doesn't make sense if you're using $10 because the profit is low. But it's something, right? The withdrawal fee on this can be more than 50 cents, right? It can be more than 50 cents. 50 cents is even a stretch. It's even more than 50 cents. So the profit here will be made me say $5.5 after every expenses you have incurred, right? And that's a good profit. If you're in Nigeria, you check the profit here. $6. How much is $6 times 1,450? I guess that's like 8K. 8K is not bad. If you do this multiple times a week, 60K times 4 in a month, 243,000 naira. See, this is a very simple way to make money online if you have the capital, if you have the exchanges, and that's basically it. So if I find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video. I mean, that's basically how we grow. So let's go.